No, I'm in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to call this deck system the mountain deck. So basically what we have here is a peeling coating situation on a deck that has old gray wood. Okay, extreme sun damage on the outer surfaces of the planks. So let me show you a little what this deck looks like, and then I'll talk to you about the solutions that we're going to offer. Okay, so you can see here, I'm taking you to the beginning side of this deck system. This is the entry, and our job here is the floor and the top handrail. That's our scope of work on this particular deck. We're not doing the railing system. So you can see the damage that exists here. It's just older gray wood with extreme sun damage. This is exactly the type of deck system that Kong Armor is designed to come in and encapsulate, rebuild the surface, and rescue. We got pressure washing starting on the other side right now. And what we're going to do pressure washing is we're going to come through here and clean this really, really well and remove as much of this older peeling coating as possible. Okay, as Rich trying to get the air out of his pressure washer here. Got a bunch of air in it. But you can see the floor system. And as we come through and wash this, the goal is to remove as much of this old, it's a peeling semi-transparent stain that's on this system. I'll show you here. So we're going to come in, remove as much of this as possible, and then rebuild it with the ultra tough, ultra thick, high stretch Kong Armor lifetime deck armor coating system. And Kong will have the ability to keep up with the movement and the stretch of these planks over time and prevent this sort of flaking and peeling effect that's caused by a combination of board movement, temperature, and humidity, a trifecta of things that causes these to peel. So this is the mountain deck. Flat surfaces only is what we're here to do. And it looks like Rich has finally got his pressure washer up and going. And he'll generally do a pass by and just kind of clean this, and then he'll go back and go board for board. This is rather unusual, but to me this looks like that somebody built this with untreated lumber is what this looks like to me. And that's why you have this peeling up underneath it here. I know this is loud, so I'll end this video. The mountain deck, the Kong Armor mountain deck, lifetime deck armor coating system, the world's toughest. We're coming in to save this deck floor, save this family from deck floor replacement, saving them thousands. We're coming in to rebuild this deck floor with our ultra tough, high stretch, lifetime coating system. We'll stay with this customer when it's done for life with warranty and lifetime service. Stand by for the completion video, because this deck floor and top of the rails when we're completed with them, they'll be absolutely stunningly gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys what rough gray wood that's sun damaged looks like after it's been rebuilt with thick build. Stand by.